The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller, and I want to say big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw a video that is out on social media that makes me shake my head, because this video shows of a vehicle carrying materials, the kind of materials that you'd use to build a house or a fence, Not sure what they're going to use the materials for, but however, it shows of the vehicle carrying the materials and someone is in the back of the vehicle as well. The materials in the back of the vehicle is not strapped down, No. And the vehicle is on the road going at a certain speed. Not sure how fast the vehicle is going, but it's going at a certain speed. And you'd be surprised to see what the person in the back of the vehicle did, trying to prevent the materials from flying out of the vehicle. Now, I don't have any information as to exactly where this had happened in the world, but I would like to point it out that people should not do something like this, right? Because people can get hurt, you can get hurt, and those materials can fly and hurt other people, you see me, that are using the road, that are driving or walking or whatsoever. It's dangerous, you see me. Now, I am going to show you this video, viewers and subscribers, and it's a very short little video. However, you will get the understanding of what I'm talking about, alright? Now, for those who can't handle certain things that is kind of a surprising or a shocking video, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Take a look at this video and observe.
Only happens on the N2, right here, MPC, guys. This man is flying. He's gonna take off. This one is gonna take off this very track.
You see what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers? I mean, why didn't they just strap down these materials? Why they never take some bands and rope and strap it down properly? If I am loading a vehicle with that amount of materials, I'm not going to put the materials with the materials up in the air like that. No, I'm going to put this point down and the rest eased off around at the back. And then I'm going to strap it as much as I can to make sure that those materials don't go flying out of the vehicle. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, so instead of them putting it this, in my point of view, them should have put it down like this to the back of the vehicle. If this is the vehicle, and you just put it down in it like that, so the tail hang off a little. Alright? And if it is too large for the vehicle, hire a truck. Don't shortchange the thing, yo. We are talking about people's lives here, man. This is dangerous, Yeah. And to show proof that there are people out there doing things like this, right? Lots of time police give people tickets for things like these out there. You get what I'm saying to you? Things like this do happen. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it, You don't know me, Dancehall Skiller. They have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I go on. And you can also tell me what you think about what had happened in this video. And you can also tell me how you would go about carrying materials in a vehicle, alright? Yeah, because in my point of view, that what I just saw in the video is just wrong. No one should do it like that. That is just wrong. That is dangerous, yo. Alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?